Hello there and welcome to 11 Plus Maths, and this is lesson and test 6. So you've got 10 questions in this particular exercise to answer. Let's have a look at the first question. So the first question states, what is the approximate size of angle X? Well, this particular description box gives you an idea of various angles. So you can see from here that you've got different angles increase in size, so such as an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is bigger than 90, but less than 180 degrees. A straight line is exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. And a full rotation, which is a whole circle, which is here, that is exactly 360 degrees. It gives you a little bit of background knowledge in terms of what angles are, what they mean, what they stand for as well. So let's look at this particular example that we can see in front of us here. Now this is an angle example. Now we're trying to work out an approximate estimate of the size of this angle. So if we were to work out, let's say for example, roughly 90 degrees will be about this much. So we know anything on the right hand side of our angle is going to be 90 degrees. On the left-hand side, we have that extra margin that we can also use as well. So here, we have 90 degrees, but we have this extra margin that we're actually going to add onto the 90 degrees. So how much could that actually be? So let's say, for example, looking at our options here, A, B, C, D, and E, we've got 90 degrees plus roughly, let's say, 30 degrees gives us roughly 120 degrees. So this entire area of the entire angle comes to roughly about 120 degrees in total. So in this case, we'll look at option E as our answer. Okay, have a go through all the questions. You have some descriptions on every question just to help you out and make it easy for you to understand the theory behind the maths before you actually answer the question as well. Good luck.